Phelan condemned this boiler and switched it off when she asked for a routine service to be done, and then she asked me to come in and give her a quote for a new gas line. Judging by what she says, she doesn't really want me to do the job. She just wants to get somebody else or get a unqualified engineer to do this job, so hence why my reticence to give her too much information. And to be fair, I just wanted to get in and out after some of the questions she asked. The job itself quite involved because you have to come across from the meter, then drill through the floor underneath the hardwood floor, and then go through the other side where the kitchen is, and somehow underneath the unit pull it back up underneath the units through any substrate and get it all the way across and up underneath the boiler. Clearly it's quite a nicely fitted kitchen, so you can't destroy any of that, and realistically with hardwood countertops as well, it's going to be very difficult to take those out or trying to remove units without damaging, as it's been tightly fitted. All in the cupboard.
And is it okay to have pipe outside down the wall? That's not.
What do you mean?
Health and outside of the house.
Yeah, it's fine, but you can't get a house. You can't get a pipe because you haven't got an external wall.
No. You said that.
Yes, yeah, that's fine. Yeah,
that's fine.
Yeah. So we've got to come underneath there.
And how many meters is from there to there then? Do you
I don't. That's probably about 7 meters, I guess, in total, and that's all hardwood floor. And then it's got to come out the other side and through to there. Okay, let's go like this. Just there. So then come across there, to there and through. So you can see here they've just used the 1/2-inch steel barrel. Small, okay. Okay, so here we go. Can replace this. Bit of an oldie, so we've got to take this out. Already got it isolated and capped from the last time. Let's go to work. Got to get this out. Somebody's actually used the original screws. It's a first for everything in this job. That's something funny. Mums are like buttons, they hold things together. Pull this in. Let's see what we're greeted with. It's nice. Undo that to start. Classic bit of pipework for you. Barrel this way, that way. Christ. This would be lovely. Maybe we should repair it as a laugh. My favourite bit.
looks like a Bosch. I get one of these. First thing I do is remove the expensive bits that are going to scratch things. So don't mind if I do actually. I'm going to check these. These are the goodies, so these are for LPG sealing. Quick check, let's see if it actually fits. Typical, isn't it? So I need to cut this. I need to cut the aperture. Look all the way in the width. Front to back. Oh, good. So. That was easy. Let's have a look. There you go. So we just trimmed up that. We'll have a look from underside. So you can see there, it's a bit tight to the back. So. You shouldn't be spending too much time on those.
No, I don't spend much time.
Especially looking at the stuff that, you know, you could get probably arrested for some of that stuff.
What are you joking? I don't.
And you know that they can track you on those.
I do know that.
Yeah, so you better watch that.
Naomi says,
Well, the only people that know things like that, so if Naomi knows, it's because she's...
Know on much,
Yeah, she says
but
that.
she's a great one for surfing, and you do it as well. You buy online all the time.
Buy online? I've tried many a times to buy a new bride, but I can't. There's none available in this area. None that would have me, anyway.
So, do I like it?
Ah, well, too late. If you don't like it, don't call me. I'll boil the kettle. That's the old... Good job that's the old one. At least the spuds are on. It's on the kettle. What's for dinner? I'm like the 5th or the 6th or the 7th emergency service.
Are you?
Maybe not.
I do think that people will be pleased to see you.
Yeah. Not my own family, I hasten to. Geez, if I couldn't put up with her, no one could. I'm the most relaxed guy there is. The day that my son finds out that I've got a YouTube channel, I'm in deep shit. What I've said about his mother on it. I've met friendlier dragons. Oh, that's it. Give me... Oh, guy, that's it. Keep the good ones for yourself, why don't you? And give the plumber...
Stop mining.
Oh, those are those Spanish...
But I think they're...
Almarias.
They might be French or something like that.
You'll be telling me the back's all pulled down now, won't you? Oh, they got little rubber feet on them. Yeah, because I complained about that years ago. Yeah, years ago. Well, I don't know about that. Let's try and get this right.
Yes,
I reckon it's...
But looking on the diagrams, a lot of them seem to be not centred.
Yeah, but look at that. It's almost like I know what the hell I'm doing. But to light it, because it hasn't got that, you've got to use a cigarette. No, I'm joking.
You can.
Yeah.
Seemed a shame. No, I could just imagine. And then when they got modernised, they didn't have street gas ever. So they went to induction. So all the modern buildings
A bit more turned on, drop down. Remember to take our tools, turn the gas on. Now it is.
Oh.
No, never know. One.
Wonderful.
2, 3, 4. Turn them all the way down to simmer. Check they all work to simmer. Otherwise it fails. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen for 4 clicks. Listen for the 4 clicks, everyone. 1,
Oh, for 4
2, 3, 4.
for each jet.
Yep. Bingo!
That means.
Now you tell me you need an electrician.
Well, no. He said
everything looked amazing in the house.
He said it wasn't bad.
When an electrician says something doesn't look bad, but I'm not signing anything off. Well, that's about as close as I can get that in.
No, you can do better than that. That's not acceptable. Oh, that's better.
Ye of little
That is
faith.
brilliant. Now, let me just check that works now.
Well, it's on. What more do you want? Oh, not a yeah, but.
Yeah, no, I do have to.
I haven't turned anything on or off there. You'll want me to cook spuds in a minute.
Right, okay. I might even clean it.
No, don't bother. Just take it out and replace it.
Don't be rude. Don't be rude.
The white of that, the white of that.
You want to take that off now?
And then you've got the stainless steel up there.
That's
What were you
horrible.
thinking? It's really useful,
Yeah.
did you just say? What, a man that can cook?
Yeah, sometimes.
That's handy.
Fed up with that. I think cooking's fine once a week.
Yeah, generally you have to cook more than once
More than
a week.
once a week.
I'm sure a lot of housewives out there would be cheering you on, rooting for that one.
What? That's really nice. It looks like it's going to function.
Oh, I thought you were talking about my socket set.
No, not interested in your sockets. Really.
That sounds like my ex-wife talking. Finished job, happy client.
Oh yeah. I've got to give a review now.
No chance. Basically stays hot or stays cold, whatever temperature you put it on. I'm just going to put this new cartridge in. That's it. Simple. Okay, so we've ended up having to turn it off on the main service stop because through here, the stopcock is built under that dishwasher washing machine, so no chance. Because I'm just going to undo. I know that there's a. I'll take this out completely. Today's episode is brought to you by the Landlord Committee. So just grab a hold of it. I'm using these because these don't mark it. Okay, that's that one out. Just twisted it like that because that locates it. So the most important thing now that you've taken it out, check that it's the same as the new one. If it isn't, don't put it back in because it'll never fit, will it? Yeah? So they look the same. So this cap does come off. God, I can smell fiberglass. Somebody's roofing outside somewhere. Put a lube on this and then put it back in. Okay, so we've got it all lubed up. Now we're looking to locate that lug there into there. Bit of a look from underneath. Push. That's it. Push up. That's all we're looking for. Lug. Pick our new part. Push it down. Take our new valve. Put that on. Time is money. So that's done. Cap on for good luck. Turn the taps off that we've turned on. Just click it open a little bit. fully back on now, except we're going to have the customers telling us that we've forgotten to turn it fully open. Pop that back in before somebody has an injury claim for us. Just remember, where there's blame, there's a claim. There's my tea. Turn this thing back on, I guess. Which one do you reckon does which? Crazy mother. Anyway, go with, if I get wet, I got it wrong. I got it right. Turn it up a bit. Bingo. Excellent. We're done. This is the kind of job that we like. Quick and easy. As long as you can isolate the water, really quick to do. 15 minutes work, realistically, in and out. And clearly you're going to charge lesser amount, but still an £80, £100 job. Job done. Central London, don't you love it? You just got lit up. Interesting. I wonder what that is. Clearly why I've been called here is for this. So it's clearly got a leak. Looks like a threaded insert into there, so it's got a decent leak, and as you can see it's ruining this lovely floor that they've had fitted. So I'm going to take a look at all of this. It's an interesting setup. And here's another feat of engineering. So you've got your Potterton heat, electric heat system, auto air vent. You've got an expansion vessel. That one should be here. This one should be there. That one's pre-charged to 3.5 bar. This one's to 1.5. Solid. Yeah, solid. Listen to this. You can do those drums, you know. This one. So this one, clearly, the cold water pressure in here, because it's off the cold mains, has just pushed the life out of this. This is not proving any expansion at all. So that's our issue there. The discharge pipe mains are cracking. It's also just a mess. You can see it's leaking. It's probably leaking because there's probably 5 bar in there. So a complete mess. There's also no water in the system. What more do you want out of a heating system? So this is what I find on a daily basis. So it needs a complete revamp. Trying to work out what the best route is to do the discharge pipe for this Megaflow main cylinder. So I will show you in there, and I'm sitting on a ledge here, quite high up. And yeah, look, this is the D1 discharge pipe. It comes out there. I don't think you get treats like this every day.